Hey Glitter fam, so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my skincare routine. Yes, how to get this flawless skin, take away the under eyes, dark circles and everything, and hydrate your skin. I'm actually going to be using this new mask. Yes.
Alright, hi, my name is Teniola and I'm co-founder at Miah Beauty. We are a beauty brand and community for people of color, and essentially what we do is we make skincare for people of color. We fuse K-beauty technology and African ingredients to make product that works for our skin of color. Like if you see my skin right now, I'm not wearing foundation, and this is all I've been using for the last 10 months, which has been really helpful for my skin. It's a line of facial sheet mask. We've got the brightening mask, and we also have the hydrating mask. And basically what this does is, first of all, it's made from coconut. It's called Biocellulose mask. It's made from coconut. It doesn't irritate your skin. And what it does is that it boosts the moisture level of your skin. It helps, over time to fade dark spots, to fade hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and also dark under eye circles. And, much more importantly, is that we're all about promoting the health of our skin, right? We believe that as women of color, when your skin is beautiful, when your skin is radiant, you can choose to wear makeup or not, you can choose when and if you're going to use makeup, because your skin is healthy and you're much more confident, much more happy about yourself, right? Which at the end of the day makes you a happier woman, right? So that's all we have for you at Miah Beauty.
Alright, so what I'm going to start off first, I'm going to start off by cleansing my face. So usually what I do is, I do use a cleanser, and I usually use Garnier, the Micellar Foaming Cleanser. There's different ones. This one's for combination to oily skin. And then I also always start off first with a makeup wipe, but I'm a little bit extra. So I use a makeup dissolver by Dermablend. So I just put a little bit on my wipe, just to make sure I get everything off, and I clean off any excess or old dirt or whatnot from before, like my makeup from the night before or the day before first, and then and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. So I just do a couple pumps, not that much, in my hands, get some water, lather it up. Of course, you're gonna wash your hands before you do anything with your face, because you don't want to put bacteria on your face. And I always like to keep my nail brushes. I keep one in the shower and I keep one here by the sink, and I switch them out frequently. And then always, if I have other people here, I always have ones where they can take and throw them out, just so you can get underneath your nails, because that's where a lot of the bacteria sits and the germs sits. So yeah, so first, just gonna go ahead and cleanse my face. I like to use this little thing to get really in there to make sure I got everything off. And all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my face a towel, because you literally can, it doesn't hold whatever is on the towel, and you could throw this out. So kind of I should be patting my face because it's better, but I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe it gently. This earring, bro, just doesn't want to stay in, so we're just gonna take that out. Maybe I should just take my earrings out. Okay, so all right, so after that, I'm gonna go ahead and use the mask. So on the back, it has 3 steps, and basically you're gonna cleanse your face, then you're gonna put the mask on, and you keep it on. All right, so you're gonna leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm just gonna go ahead and open the package and show you what it looks like on the inside. So this is the inside. You can tell that it has a nice coating to hydrate the skin. It is really nice, and it's super thick. It even has like a cardboard cutout on the inside of the mask, so it's gonna be easier to place onto your face compared to a lot of other mask brands. It's just like in the package, and then you have to be super careful because you'll rip it just taking it out. But this one has this paper sheet inside, which you just remove it, and it makes it so much easier to put the mask on your face. So then I went ahead and I placed it onto my skin, making sure that I place it where the hole cutouts are at, and then I opened the nose section a little bit more so that I can go ahead and adjust it to my liking, which is nice because it gives you a lot of good, it gives you good spacing, so it's easy to adjust. And then I just went ahead and pressed everything close to my face to make sure I get the full effect. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave this on for the time allotted, 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll be back. All right, so it has been 15 minutes actually is how long I kept it on. And now I'm just pulling it from top to bottom, and oh my gosh, already it feels so nice. Like my skin just feels really hydrated. I feel like my face is like super relaxed. Like I just had a spa to my face. So I just rubbed everything in like that leftovers. So you definitely don't need a moisturizer after this because this mask is all you need. And yeah, look at this skin. Flawless. I'm telling you, you guys have to check it out. I'm gonna leave everything down in the description bar, and yeah, as always, stay glittered.